Have you ever done something high maintenance to stay low maintenance, like taking good care of your skin to minimize the need for heavy makeup, or like adopting a healthy diet to keep off illnesses, or doing a meal prep to escape the daily cooking grind? I mean, these are just a few examples of the lens some of us go to in order to simplify our lives. As we go through the complexities of our daily routines, there are those moments that bring us to reevaluate our habits. And speaking of reevaluation, let me share with you a personal journey that began during my teenage years. During puberty, the non-stop growth of body hair became a constant challenge for me. The weekly ritual of shaving became a time-consuming task, and as I entered my late 20s, finding time for this grooming routine became increasingly difficult. The struggle to maintain smooth skin without constant shaving was real, and let's not forget the discomfort, issues like chicken skin, ingrown hairs, and discoloration from traditional shaving methods. I started doing IPL treatments very young, so I don't have to worry about any of those problems. Now, I'm not saying that the hair growth is going to completely stop when you're doing IPL treatments, but those pesky hair growth will significantly slow down, and all I have to do now is to maintain every 2 months. Sometimes I do it in 5 months, which is a very long time. And I used to have a bushy pits, but now I can literally count how much hair I have, and it's less than 10. My experience with various IPL devices was not without its challenges. Many of them are effective, but they were bulky and painful, especially in the sensitive areas. The pain feels like being hit by a rubber band, and with that being said, the procedure takes longer sessions to see noticeable results because you're going to want to do it at level 1 instead of doing it at level 8. This is the revolutionary device that changed the game. ULlike A3 is not just another IPL device, it's the world's first IPL hair removal device with sapphire ice cooling for pain-free at-home treatments. Operating at 65 degrees Fahrenheit, it shields against burns or discomfort even on the highest setting. The auto glide mode flashing 0.7 seconds, and that's less than a second without you needing to keep pushing on the control button. Literally a full body hair removal sessions in 12 minutes, making the process efficient and convenient. Yes, I know what I'm saying. ULlike A3 is also very lightweight, and the non-bulky design adds to its appeal, making it travel friendly. Not that I need it during travels anymore, but in case I do, the portability is so convenient for those on the go. Okay, so before doing the IPL treatment, it's essential to shave off the hairs. The kit includes a cute little shaver for its purpose. Just make sure that you remove all of the hair. My legs don't look as hairy, but the blade caught many of the small hairs. The kit also provides foldable glasses. It's highly recommended to wear eye protection as the flashes emitted during the treatment are extremely bright and may cause discomfort to your eyes. Now let's dive into the treatment process. You'll notice the light around the control button as soon as it makes contact with your skin, indicating that it's ready to use. You can manually press the button each time, but for auto glide mode, simply long press the control button. When activated, you'll notice a dotted line indicating that it's on. This will automatically emit flashes of light every 0.7 seconds, which is incredibly convenient for treating larger areas. I've personally used this device on various parts of my body, including my underarms, bikini area, and even my face. I also love the container that it comes with. The entire kit is very lightweight, and everything fits perfectly inside. Even the shaver and the foldable glasses are well accommodated. There's still extra room for additional items, which showcases the thoughtful design of the ULlike A3. You can get whatever device you want, but if you want a powerful, fast result and pain-free experience in the highest setting that will show you the best results in 2 weeks, I highly recommend the ULlike A3. This device is worth around $300, but weekly wax session costs about $50? So imagine how much money you're gonna be spending in a year. And it's a consistent thing. Your hair will never stop growing just by waxing, and it's painful, way more painful than IPL higher setting. And weekly shaving is just out of the picture here. I remember those old days where I have to show my coochie to other people who are doing the treatments. Oh my god, it was so embarrassing. But I don't have to do that now because I can literally do IPL treatments in the comfort of my own home. In case you didn't know, IPL treatments works best for darker hair, so if you have black hair like mine, you are going to see remarkable results. Lighter hair individuals don't really have enough pigment, so the laser won't be able to penetrate the skin, so it won't be as effective. Consider this device not just an expense, but an investment, and ULlike has a 90-day risk-free return policy. You have ample amount of time to see the results within the first 2 weeks. If you don't like it or you feel like it's not working, you can easily return it for a refund, though given my experience, I doubt you're gonna do that. This is one of the best things I've ever done in my routine. And for those considering adding this innovative device to their beauty arsenal or perhaps gifting it to a loved one, I got you covered with a discount code and a link in the description box below. Make a shift towards a low maintenance, high satisfaction beauty routine that enhances not just your appearance, but your overall lifestyle. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social so we can stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.